Hey, it's Vandalyn Smith here, coming to you live from Living Benefits Wealth, where we talk about the life in life insurance. In this video, I wanted to discuss your life insurance as your partner. Life insurance as your partner. And the reason why I want to talk about life insurance as your partner is because many people do not view life insurance as a great asset. A lot of people run from it or they don't make it a priority. And so here at Living Benefits Wealth, our goal is to discuss ways that you can enjoy life insurance while you're still living. Yes, ways that you can enjoy life insurance while you're still living. And my main focus today, and in most days, will be talking about college funding. Using life insurance as a way to fund a child's college education. And so you may be thinking, well, don't they have 529 plans out there for that? And yes, they do. They do have 529 plans, what we call a 529 plan, which is set aside for educational expenses, and it grows, and you can use that to help pay for your child's college. But I want to discuss some of the reasons why a life insurance policy is a great way to save for a child's college fund. One of the things is the sooner that you start, or the sooner that you secure a life insurance policy on your child, the longer it has to accumulate those funds for your child's college. So you have a lot of years in between when your child is born and when it's time for that child to go to college. What this does in a life insurance policy is the cost of life insurance is not expensive at all on a child. So the money that you're setting aside in that life insurance policy, those premiums that you are paying, most of it is allowed to go towards the cash value and build up funding that will grow over time. So, excuse me. So you have less amount going to the cost of insurance, and more of that money is going towards the cash value. And the cash value accumulates. It accumulates against the index fund. So just like in the stock market, where you have money growing in the stock market, this money in this cash value life insurance policy is growing against the index, or growing with the index in the stock market. No, your money is not invested. Your money is not placed into the stock market. So you're also protected against any downturns of the market. So you know how the market goes up and down. It goes up and down. Well, you don't have to worry about your money in your life insurance policy ever going down because of the stock market. So any growth that accumulates in your policy, that money is there. So you don't have to worry about losing money. That's one of the reasons. That's one of my favorite reasons. That's one of my favorite reasons why I think that utilizing a life insurance policy, a cash value life insurance policy, to grow your child's college fund is a great way to grow your child's college fund. And I probably said that, it probably didn't make sense, but what I'm saying is the money is not lost. You're not losing the money against the stock market. And I said that's one of my favorite reasons why I think that utilizing a life insurance policy to grow your child's college education fund is a great way. The third reason is, so I talked about the first reason, the child's fairly healthy. Child is young, so the cost of insurance is low, so you get more bang for your buck. So most of your money is going towards that cash value, and it allows it to accumulate over time. The second reason is the money that you have growing against the stock market will not be lost. So your account value will not be lost due to market losses. So you don't have to ever worry about your money decreasing because the stock market went down. The third reason is the life insurance is not considered an asset when it comes to filling out your free application for student aid. Because whether you have money set aside for your child to go to college or not, I think you should still take advantage of any money, especially if it's free, of any money that is going to be afforded to your child to apply towards college. So when you're filling out that form, that federal application for student aid, or the FAFSA, life insurance is not considered. You don't have to put that life insurance policy that you have open for your child. You don't have to list that as an asset. Excuse me. You do not have to list that as an asset because it's not considered an asset as it relates to the the federal student aid. And I could go on and on, but I'm gonna leave it at 4. The fourth reason that I believe that growing your money or growing a college fund for your child using a life insurance policy is beneficial is number 4, that money grows tax-free. That money grows tax-free, and you also have the opportunity to access that money on a tax-free basis. So the money is growing tax-free, and you have an opportunity to pull it out tax-free. So you don't have to pay taxes on it. So that's the 4th reason why I think that using a life insurance policy to grow your child's college fund is a great idea. Now, you may have thousands of questions and want to know, well, how in the world do I set this up? How do I utilize a life insurance policy to grow my child's college fund? Now, you may have questions and I have answers. So you can reach out to me, ask me questions, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. And if you want to set up a time to discuss how a cash value life insurance policy can fit in your life for you and your family, I'm going to leave a link where you're watching this video, and it's going to send you to my calendar to set up a 15-minute chat. And we can get on the phone and just discuss your goals and objectives, because that's the key to these policies. They're not a one-size-fit-all plan. And so they have to, they're best designed for your current needs. And so that's why I would like to have a talk with you so that I can understand what it is that you're wanting to do, how much you're willing to contribute or comfortable contributing to your college or your child's college fund. And we can go from there. So wherever you're watching this video, just click the link, just fill out your name, email address, pick a time and date that's best for you. And we'll get on the phone and chat about how a life insurance policy or a cash value life insurance policy can fit best for you and your family. This is Vandalyn Smith, and I thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.